everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unmute notes on Instagram. Now first thing you need to do is go to your inbox and you can see those notes and try to mute someone's notes and click mute notes and it will no longer appear in inbox. And the next thing to do to unmute it is search for their username on the search bar and go to their profile. Once you're in their profile, click on the following button and these options will appear. So you click on the mute and you'll see all those post stories and notes. So you muted the notes and click on to unmute and go back to inbox and you can see that the note has appeared again. And that's it. That's how to unmute notes on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.